Hey group leaders, it's Michelle with AST here to help you get a jump on your group travel plans. Heading to New Orleans and want to give your group something new and exciting to do? How about an authentic Bayou tour? Take a Bayou tour of the famous Honey Island Swamp. You'll glide through gator territory on a 22-passenger flat-bottom boat and hear all about the swamp and its natural inhabitants from local, expert captains. For smaller groups, pickup service from many French Quarter hotels and visitor center is available for your comfort and convenience. Experts in the field give you an authentic 2-hour tour of one of America's most unique ecosystems. Many captains have lived on the water for most of their lives and have earned field degrees to give you the best experience possible. See the wildlife up close and personal as you explore narrow sloughs that these boats are built to navigate. Get the chance to see alligators, raccoons, wild boar, exotic birds, turtles, and many more creatures that call the swamp home. This will be one experience you'll never forget. Give us a call today to start your planning. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook for more fun travel tidbits. Until next time.